Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, January the 8th at Dollar General, and I have a total of 6 awesome scenarios for you all today. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are just simply that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And if y'all are curious how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios, here's the order that I do it in. So first, I'll ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. Now, if you have the newer keypads in place, you have to ask your cashier what your subtotal is. If you still have the older keypads at your store, it will actually show you your subtotal on the screen. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you have the older keypads at your store, it will actually show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Now keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction. Take a second, try to figure out what went wrong, and then try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will also still work because the transaction was never completed. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with a deal on Energizer batteries. So for this scenario, you want to pick up 3 Energizer 8-pack AA or AAA batteries for $24. Those are $8 each. And 1 pack of Energizer AA or AAA 4-pack batteries for $4.70. 3 American greeting cards at $1.50. Those are 50 cents each. And that's going to bring your subtotal to $30.20. So we do have an instant savings deal on Energizer batteries right now. When you purchase 3 8-pack Energizer batteries, you're going to instantly save $4.50 at the register. So that's going to come off first, and that's going to bring your subtotal down to $25.70. Now, maybe you've already used your American greeting card digital coupon and you want to throw in a couple other glitches. Just make sure that your subtotal is at least $29.50 in order for this deal to work for you. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, 4 of the 1 off 1 Energizer batteries, digital coupons. We should have about 6 on our accounts right now. And a 150 off 3 American greeting cards digital coupon. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $15.20 for 7 items. But the deal gets even better because right now on Energizer Go Rewards, there is a rebate for when you spend $15 on Energizer batteries, you're going to get back a $5 gift card. Now, I know that this picture says link in bio, but I will have the link for the Energizer rebate in the description box of this video as well as down in the pinned comment below. So you're going to submit your receipt for the Energizer rebate. You're going to get back a $5 gift card. That's going to make your final price just $10.20 for all 7 items, making each one just $1.45 each. Alright, next up, we have a little food deal here. So for this one, you're going to pick up 3 Dr. Pepper 12 packs at $11. 1 of the Pepsi, Mountain Dew, or Crush 1 liter or 1.25 liters for $1. 1 of the Rolled Gold pretzels for $2.95. 1 Skinny Pop popcorn for $2.70. 1 of the Pirates Booty, I think that's also popcorn, for $2. 2 of the Life or Captain Crunch cereals for $5. 3 of the American greeting cards for $1.50. They are 50 cents each. 1 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. And 1 Vicks Vapo Cool cough drops found in the dollar aisle for $1. Your subtotal is going to be $28.15. Now, I do want to take a second and mention that I did add on the Crest and the Vicks cough drops just to take advantage of that overage. So if you can't find those items, that's okay. You can still do this scenario. Your subtotal after coupons will be just a couple dollars more. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 2 off 10 Dr. Pepper, the 2 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's product, 1 off 1 Skinny Pop, 1 off 1 Pirates Booty, 2 off 2 Quaker products, that's a DG store coupon, 1 off 2 Quaker cereal, 150 off 3 American greeting cards, 2 off 1 Crest and the 150 off 1 Vicks cough drops. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.15 for 14 items, making each one just 65 cents each. Alright, next up, we have a little personal care deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Suave 10-ounce lotions for $3.90. Those are $1.95 each. 1 of the Vaseline lotions for $3.70. 2 of the U by Kotex security pads for $6.50. Those are $3.25 each. 1 of the Playtex sport tampons for $3.50. 1 of the Centrum vitamins for $5. 1 of the Rexall vitamin D3 60 count for $2. 3 of the American greeting cards for $1.50. Those are 50 cents each. And 1 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1. Your subtotal will be $27.10. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 2 off 6 Unilever DG Store coupon, the 1 off 2 Suave, the 1 off 1 Vaseline, the 4 off 2 Kotex, the 2 off 1 Playtex, the 4 off 1 Centrum, 1 off 1 Rexall vitamins, 150 off 3 American greeting cards, and the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $3.60 for 12 items, making each one just 30 cents each. Alright, so next up we have a little household deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Mieroban disinfectant sprays for $12. Those are $6 each. 2 of the Clorox bleach 40 ounces for $5. Those are $2.50 each. 1 of the Puffs tissue cubes for $1.65. 1 Airwick scented oil starter kit for $3.35. 2 of the Airwick 1-count warmers for $3.30. Those are $1.65 each. 3 of the American greeting cards for $1.50. Those are 50 cents each. 1 Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1, and 1 of the Nature's Truth vitamins 60 count for $1 from the dollar aisle. Your subtotal will be $28.80. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 6 off 2 Mieroban sprays, the 1 off 2 Clorox, the 1 off 1 Puffs tissue, 175 off 1 Airwick scented oil product, 160 off 1 Airwick warmer, 150 off 1 Airwick product, the 150 off 3 American greeting cards, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 2 off 1 Nature's Truth vitamins. Your subtotal after coupons will be $5.45 for 13 items, or just 41 cents each. But this deal gets a little bit better because right now on Inbox Dollars, we have a rebate for $3 back when you purchase 2 Clorox disinfectant products. So you're going to submit your receipt to Inbox Dollars. You're going to get $3 back. That's going to make your final price just $2.45 for 13 items, making each one just 18 cents each. So how awesome is that? And I just wanted to let y'all know that I am finishing up my beginner's guide to Inbox Dollars video today. So I'm going to be walking y'all through how to sign up, all the different ways that you can earn money on the Inbox Dollars app, and then how you can get your money back. So it's going to be a step-by-step process, complete walkthrough of the app. It's going to be awesome. So be on the lookout for that video. Hopefully I'll have that uploaded and ready to go for tomorrow. Alright guys, so last but not least, I have a couple of gain deals for you all this week. And of course, I have my gain tips that I want to share with you all. So first, it is very important when you're doing gain scenarios to scan each and every gain scented product that you want to pick up with your scenarios. And this is so important because you want to make sure that the 5 off 30 gain coupon, or in our case this week we have a 5 off 20 gain coupon, plus the 5 off 25, plus if you have any gain manufacturer digital coupons, you want to make sure that all 3 of those coupons show up under each gain scented product that you want to purchase. And this is so important because some gain products and some gain scented products do not work with the 5 off 30 or the 5 off 20 gain coupon. So here's just an example. Now these are all older coupons. Again, this is just an example. If you're in the store and you scan a product, you want to make sure that all of the coupons that you want to use for that product show up. So if you're doing an all digital deal, you're going to have 3 coupons show up under each product. So you'll have the individual manufacturer coupon plus your 5 off 20 plus your 5 off 25. If you're doing a scenario with paper coupons, which we are about to go over, you want to make sure that you scan each product to make sure that that 5 off 20 gain coupon shows up, as well as the 5 off 25. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain laundry products that are priced at $3.95 each. That can be the Flings, fabric softener, sheets, scent boosters. There's a lot to choose from. Then you also want to pick up 1 Gain laundry product that is priced at $6.95. Again, a lot to choose from. You can pick up the liquid, the Flings, fabric softener, sheets, or scent boosters. Then you want to pick up 2 Gain scented Febreze products. These are $3 each. These can be the air fresheners, small spaces, car clips, or wax melts. Those are all priced at $3 each. Then you're going to want to pick up one of these Centrum vitamins for $5, one of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle, and one of the Colgate Junior toothpaste for $1. Your subtotal is going to be $27.85. Now keep in mind, I did just add on the Crest and the Colgate to take advantage of that overage. If you can't find those items, no problem. You don't have to pick those up in order to do this scenario. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $2 more. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 5 off 20 gain, 2 of the 1 off 1 gain coupons from the January 2nd save insert, the 2 off 1 gain coupon again from the January 2nd save insert, the buy one get one free Febreze coupon from the P&G insert, the 4 off 1 Centrum vitamins. We also have insert coupons for those as well, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 2 off 1 Colgate. Your subtotal after coupons will be $2.85 for 8 items, making each one just 35 cents each. Now, I know that a lot of people out there do not get the gain coupons in their area anymore, including me. So if you're like me and you need some gain coupons, you can always go to the P&G website and print off some free printable coupons. Just make sure that you do it the day that you plan on going to the store, because I do believe that those expire within 24 hours of you printing those off. And you should get a total of 2 like coupons per device. So you should be able to do this scenario without any issues, as long as you can use those printable coupons. Now that brings me to my next point. Some Dollar Generals will not accept printable coupons, and that is simply because of coupon fraud. Some people like to take printable coupons and then copy them because they're thinking that they're getting free coupons, but that's not how you want to do it. You want to print off 2 coupons per account per device. So if you have a phone and if you have your computer, you can definitely print off 4 coupons and you're good to go. But do not take the printable coupons and try to copy them, because they can link those back to your device and to your location. So don't try to do that. But anyways, with that being said, you may want to call ahead and speak to your Dollar General manager and see if they accept printable coupons. I know in my area with my managers, they will accept them as long as they scan. They will not type them in manually though. So just a little tip there, you may want to go ahead and call ahead and see if they will actually accept those printable coupons. Alright, and for our next gain scenario, you want to pick up 4 of the Gain laundry products that are priced at $3.95 each. Again, a lot to choose from. You can choose from the Flings, fabric softener, sheets, or the scent boosters, or you can pick up all 4. Then you want to pick 2 of the Gain scented Febreze products that are priced at $3 each. Again, you can make this deal your own. Choose from the air freshener, small spaces, car clips, or wax melts, and you can mix and match. Then you want to pick up 3 of the American greeting cards for $1.50. Those are 50 cents each. One of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 from the dollar aisle, and one of the Colgate Junior Kids toothpaste for $1. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $25.30. And here is your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 5 off 20 gain, 4 of the 1 off 1 gain coupons from the January 2nd save insert, the buy one get one free Febreze coupon from the P&G insert, the 150 off 3 American greeting cards digital coupon, the 2 off 1 Crest digital coupon, and the 2 off 1 Colgate digital coupon. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $2.80 for 11 items, making each one just 25 cents each. So how awesome is that deal, guys? Alright guys, so that is it for our 5 off $25 scenarios for this week, but keep in mind, if you need a couple of backup plans, maybe your store is out of stock of an item, or maybe you've already used a coupon that I used in these scenarios and you need something to replace it with, I did upload an awesome good deals and glitch list video earlier this week. I'll have that linked in the pinned comment down below, because there are so many awesome deals going on at Dollar General this week. It would be really easy to just kind of mix and match and make up your own scenario. So definitely go check that out if you haven't already. And one more quick reminder before you go, I want y'all to be on the lookout for a couple of new videos on my channel by tomorrow. I should have both of these uploaded. So I am going to be doing a Dollar General ad preview video for next week. So that should be a short, sweet, and simple little video that y'all can check out. And then also, again, be on the lookout for that Craz-E Coupons Beginner's Guide to Inbox Dollars. I know that a lot of y'all are really going to enjoy this app once you figure out all the different ways that you can earn money with it. So be on the lookout for those. And I think that's it for me for now, guys. I'm going to get off here. I'm going to upload this video and I'm going to take my kids outside and we are going to go sledding. So y'all let me know how many of y'all got some snow yesterday in that snowstorm. We got a couple of inches. We got to go out and play a little bit yesterday. That's the reason why I don't have the pictures of all of the coupons in this video, because, you know, sometimes you just got to put down the work and go out and have some fun. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go and try to sled and have some fun in the snow before it all melts. So that is it for me for now, but before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button right down below this video, because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.